This is Korean guya. It's been a long time, right? Yeah, I know. If you waiting for my video for a long time, I want to apologize to you. If not, still I will apologize to you. I'm really sorry I couldn't take a video. Okay. So today I'm gonna cook cold ramen. Yes, I'm gonna cook cold ramen. Ramen again. Yes. Of course, you have to try this. You must try this. Okay, let's start to cook. I will start to boil the water first because my stove will take forever. Forever. You need 3 ingredients. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and soup powder. Put in here. If your Korean ramen has a soup, you can use whatever you have. You can make or you can use all kind of ordinary ramen. And you can put in the refrigerator and boil the noodle. If your noodle is boiled already, rinse the noodle with cold water and prepare the noodle like this. Here is our sauce. Now I will add 300 ml of water here, very cold water, and mix well. Done. This is not essential, but if you add the sesame oil here, it will be more tasty. Just a little sesame oil. I know it's not. It looks very weird, but it's a. But this is so good. Yeah, so good. Okay, enjoy your cold ramen. It was Korean guya. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this.